Important parameters of a protection CT are its ratio, its excitation curve, the knee point, its winding resistance, and the burden. CT Analyzer determines relevant CT data during a test duration of approximately 1 minute. It measures the burden of the secondary circuit, the winding resistance, and the excitation curve, calculates the accuracy limiting factor for rated and actual burden, determines its ratio, amplitude, and phase angle accuracy, and verifies the polarity. Its measurement principle makes it an ideal tool for on-site measurements. As it measures the CT from the secondary side, the instrument and its connection cables are small and lightweight, making traveling to site convenient and speeding up the test preparation. CT Analyzer is a perfect instrument for measuring special purpose CTs with knee point voltages exceeding 10 kV, such as those used in generator, transformer, or busbar differential protection. It measures the excitation curve with safe low voltages of up to 120 volts and reduces the frequency if higher magnetic flux is required. Use of variable frequency and frequency selective measurement suppresses the electromagnetic disturbances in a high voltage substation or power plant for the ratio measurement. CT Analyzer can test all types of CTs, including those installed in transformer bushings or in gas-insulated switchgear. For CTs with tapped secondary windings, the CT Analyzer switch box allows for connection to the taps of a multi-ratio CT and performs the test in one test run, automatically and efficiently. In many power systems, TPX, TPY, and TPZ class CTs are used to ensure a CT's performance during auto-reclosure cycles or faults with DC current component, preventing saturation and magnetic remanence. CT Analyzer determines the CT's equivalent circuit diagram and so can provide the functional parameters relevant for the transient performance of such a CT. After short circuit faults involving high DC components, a CT may have magnetic remanence, particularly in closed iron cores. During the next fault, this remanence can cause the CT to saturate at much lower short circuit currents than calculated. CT Analyzer's Remalizer function can determine a CT core's magnetic remanence, helping to analyze unexpected relay behavior and subsequently to remove it by demagnetizing the core. Finally, CT Analyzer offers a unique function for guessing the characteristics of an unknown CT, for instance, when it is unclear which CT core or which CT tap is wired to a particular terminal. The user simply enters question marks for unknown parameters, and CT Analyzer will guess them. Measurement results are stored on a flash card capable of holding hundreds of measurements. Automatic suggestions for directory structure and file name, derived from the station and feeder name and CT serial number, speed up test execution and assist in subsequently finding the test results. The results can be transferred to a PC for storage and reporting. Using customizable templates, measurement results can also be imported into Excel for reporting or advanced analysis by experts. For the analysis of unexpected protection behavior using network simulation programs, the calculation of electrical fault currents can be based on actual CT parameters measured by and exported from CT Analyzer. For manufacturers and for utilities, CT Analyzer is an efficient and easy-to-use instrument for comprehensive testing of protection CTs and CT schemes.